Welcome to yet another brand new update from 24trains.tv. These are the latest and most impressive additions to the world's largest train library in history. In addition to more than 5,000 films, we also have a large collection of digital magazines and books. That alone makes the 24trains.tv subscription quite a bargain, because you can get it for as little as €4.99 per month. This week, we'll start by taking a trip to the Alps. Switzerland is now the railway country of Europe, but it wasn't the first European country to have a railway line. In fact, the first railway line there didn't open until 1847. The centenary of that first line was celebrated grandly with an authentic replica train. It was based on the very first historic Swiss steam locomotive and carriages, of which we see some remarkable color footage from 1947. This beautiful replica is, of course, well-deserved our train of the week. In a new series of films from the archives of the NVBS rail collections, we take a journey through the developments of the Dutch railways from the 1950s to the 1990s. The locomotives largely remain the same, but the colors and station environments change at a rapid pace. The Schwebebahn in Wuppertal is, in the traditional sense of the word, not a railway. And yet, the Schwebebahn attracts a lot of interest from railway enthusiasts. But 24trains.tv, that's reason enough to give everyone the opportunity to take a virtual journey through Wuppertal with this cab ride. Anyone who loves historical rolling stock should definitely not miss the 2024 Year in Review, which features the most remarkable and striking moments in the Netherlands and nearby countries from the past year. From the Elna at the Museum Buurtspoorweg to restored Bundesbahn diesels, it all comes up in this year in review. For many people, traveling by train is the most normal thing in the world. But only a few also know the history of how the railway began in the Netherlands. In the documentary The Train Back from the Past, the history of the railways in the Netherlands is explained in great detail. Have you been tempted by all these beautiful images? Then quickly visit our website 24trains.tv to explore all the possibilities. And become a member now